The opening day of boating season. We're out cruising. It's pretty windy out. We're gonna go out by Blake Island. So here we're gonna try for the first time. We're on a mooring buoy at Blake Island, and the three of us are gonna row ashore in the Sevlar 280 fish hunter. It's a pretty burly raft, holds up to 700 pounds. So we're off to adventure. Wish us luck. So we just hiked 5.5 miles around the island, and the boat's right out there. And apparently the tide came in and our dinghy is gone. So we gotta go get a ride from the ranger back to the boat, and that sucks because we just lost like an $800 dinghy, life preservers, oars, foot pump, and a roll of duct tape. This is the walk of shame to the ranger's office to get a ride back to our boat that's stuck out there. Dropped us off. So we're back on the boat, headed back. Lost our dinghy, but we haven't lost our hope. Look at that sunset. What do you guys think about today?
It was really fun. Interesting.
Yeah, but it was awesome, huh?
Yeah, and tiring. My feet are tired.